Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session class. Today I discuss Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 for class 4, chapter number 5. Today I only for discuss the introduction part. My dear student, first of all I discuss what is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation software. I write down what is PowerPoint. PowerPoint, I am not write down, I totally write down in the diagram basis. PowerPoint is a presentation software. These presentation software are used to create multimedia a presentation. This presentation software used to create multimedia a presentation. My dear student, what is the PowerPoint? The PowerPoint is a presentation software and used to create multimedia a presentation. My second, PowerPoint is a systematic representation. PowerPoint is a systematic representation information. Anybody ask you what is a PowerPoint? So PowerPoint is a presentation software. This presentation software used to create multimedia a presentation. Second, PowerPoint is a systematic representation of information in the form of slides using various components like text, picture, video, etc. So this is the PowerPoint. My dear student, why I am write down to the diagram basis? Because I want to my every student is only remember for the diagram basis. What is the PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation software used to create multimedia presentation. PowerPoint is a systematic representation information in the form of various slides using component, text, picture, etc. This is for the PowerPoint. My dear student, a slide. What is the slide? Again, my topic I use for the slide. So what is the slide? So my third point is related to the slide. Slide means individual pages of information. Individual pages of presentation. What is the slide? Suppose you write down to the notes and you present in this notes in class in front of the class teacher, but you are present from the notebook. But every company, but every such type of the big organization only for present to the slide. This is the notebook. This is the electronic notebook, and you present to the every such type of information in this area. So this is the PowerPoint. My dear student, again how to start with the PowerPoint? Again my topic, how to start with the PowerPoint. How to start PowerPoint 2010. First of all, there are two methods. But you always time applicable to the one click a start button. Click a start button. Second, click all programs option. Click all program options. Third, then click MS Office. Fourth, you select MS PowerPoint 2010. This is the open to the PowerPoint. So my dear student, today I only for discussion in the introduction part, what is the PowerPoint, how to start with the PowerPoint. So everybody write to the notes into the diagram basis. So my previous classes is only for related to the practical classes. Thank you so much.